Hello, I'm Dr. Elizabeth Easterling and I'm a veterinary chiropractor. So today I'm going to do a demonstration on Mr. Chin here. Mr. Chin suffers from a condition called shivers, and that does affect his sacroiliac joints and lower lumbar spine. And we find that when we do adjustments to release any pressure or irritation on the nerves, that he does better in terms of his sport and his performance. Mr. Chin is primarily a jumper, and we need to keep him in good working order. So I'm going to start off by doing a little demonstration of what we're finding, and then I'm actually going to go ahead and do some adjustments. All right, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to start off by checking his spine and primarily checking for what we call subluxation, or areas of stiffness or tightness, tension, areas of the spine that might be locked or not moving properly that may cause some irritation of the surrounding structures such as the nerves. We'll start off by checking his sacroiliac joints, which are right back here. And I can do that by doing palpation and springing of the spine. And we will see how well that moves in relation to the surrounding tissues. Mr. Chin is used to getting adjusted, so he's a good sport about the whole thing. And as you can see, when I do the adjustment, I'm looking for the wave of release through the whole spine, or what we call top line in a horse. Nice. Nice. Love it. And then we turn him around. Now we can see some nice spring through the whole spine, that the movement reaches right from the top of the crew here right to the withers, and that's what we want to see. Where there's less resistance through the whole top line as a result of doing the adjustments and releasing the tension through the spine here. That looks very good. You can see the movement all the way to the withers now. Good. And then we do his neck. He doesn't like his neck done much. Well, that wraps up this adjustment today. So we got a really nice amount of release through the sacroiliacs and top line, the lumbar spine, as well as some adjustments through the withers and the neck. So Mr. Chin here is nice and relaxed, as you can see. He generally likes these adjustments, and we typically do them on a regular basis. We find that about once a month or so keeps him in excellent working condition. I'm Dr. Elizabeth Easterling from Creative Healing Chiropractic, and thank you so much for watching today.